Welcome back, Tech in the News. Today is Sunday, July 26, 2020. Today's topic, Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War confirmed by a Doritos promotion of all the other things. I'm going to be honest, getting into this article here by Jody McGregor from, this is PC Gamer. If there's going to be a Black Ops leak of what the new game is going to be called, it's probably going to be a Doritos or a Mountain Dew. Let's be honest. I see a red door and I want it painted Cool Ranch. Okay, fantastic. Back in May, a leak suggested that the next Call of Duty Black Ops would either be called Cold War or at least be set during the Cold War. As we all know, or probably not, a term George Orwell used to describe the tension between Russia and the rest of their allies post-World War II. That's now been confirmed thanks to a Doritos promotion, as we can see here. Breaking Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War logo leaked via Doritos promotional material. Now, here's a funny thing I noticed here. Call of Duty News is a verified source, which isn't essentially associated with Call of Duty, so I guess, all right, we'll just assume, I swear, they just hand out verified logos to whoever they want. Basically, that's just what it is. The next Call of Duty game, it's going to be called Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Comes from a Doritos. I'm assuming this is a bag of Doritos or something, some label that somebody was looking at. Probably made it down to the production floor, and somebody working on the production floor just print out the bag, saw it, and was like, hell yeah, I'm going to take a picture of this. I guess I wasn't too adamant about the last two Call of Duty games. I played a little bit of Warzone, played a little Blackout from the last Black Ops 4. Not sure what we're looking forward to yet with this one. I do like the name. I think it's an era that nobody's really touched on yet. We've done a lot of World War II, World War I, future, modern. We haven't really touched up on that spacer gap between World War II and, there's actually been Vietnam, World at War, if I'm correct. But now we got to hit that more of a outside of that realm to something that wasn't really happening, but maybe this is what the game will reach out on, should something have happened. So it'll be interesting to see. The one thing I thought was interesting from this photo here is that promotion ends on January 31st, 2021. Okay, so I can't imagine this promotion is going to be lasting too long. I'm expecting the usual October, November, maybe late September, usually sometime around there. I'm not sure the exact dates of when Call of Duty releases their new games, but I'm going to assume it's going to be something in there. So my last question for you all is, are you looking forward to the next Call of Duty game? Have you played the previous ones recently? Let's just, hope, and we'll just assume that, it can never be as bad as Call of Duty Ghosts. So that's all I had for you. Thank you, and have a great day.